Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to notify vendor about payment automatically in QuickBooks Online. So you can help vendors and build trust by letting them know you have paid them. So it's going to be very easy and simple step. First, you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your workflow automation icon here in the top right corner. But if you cannot find it, you can just go to your search box, then you can search workflow and you will find workflow automation. You can click on it and then you can see a lot of templates here, but we're gonna use custom workflow. You can click this green button and then you can choose to bill payment. So we're gonna notify vendor about the payment and choose notification and click next. And then you can name it maybe notify vendor about payment. And of course, it's bill payment. And then, of course, it's a notification after bill payment is created because we want to let them know that we have paid them. Then you can choose to send an email to you can put your supplier email and the subject, and you can set up the message. And then when will this happen, you can choose bill payment amount is greater than zero. So every um, bill payment created, they will get notified. And then you can just click save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.